Hello, everybody. Welcome to Mactron Classroom. Today we will learn how to mark text or patterns on curved surfaces using Ezcad3D software. Step 1. Open the software, import the pattern, and set the parameters. First, open the software, find a text or vector image that needs marking, import it into the software, and set the parameters. Take a vector image as an example here. Change the size of the vector graphic. Center. Input filling parameters. Confirm. Modify the marking parameters. Press the Enter key to confirm the parameters. Step 2. Measure the sample size, place the sample, and measure the focal height. Take a sample and measure its diameter and length. The diameter of this cylindrical sample is 44.9 millimeters. And its length is 100 millimeters. Place the measured sample on the marking platform. Measure the height from the top of the sample to the marked position of the field lens. Turn this knob to adjust the height of the column. This is the focal length. The focal length is determined by the label pasted here. We are currently using a field lens with a size of 110 by 110. 110 by 110 corresponds to a focal length of 160 millimeters. Therefore, the measured height is 160 millimeters. Use this horizontal line as the reference point. Step 3. Create a 3D model and input the measured values. Return to the software and create the sample model. Click 2D and 3D view switching to enter the 3D interface. Then click Creating a basic 3D surface to build the model. Here select a cylinder similar to our sample. Here, A and B represent the diameter and length of the sample. We will fill in the values we just measured into the corresponding positions respectively. Click OK. This is the sample model we have created. Of course, if we have an already established model, can also be imported into the software. For example, click here to open the 3D surface model. Select the established model in the file. Open. Successfully imported. Step 4. Rotate, move, and wrap the model. After establishing the model, we need to adjust the direction and position of the model slightly. Click Rotational Surface to change the direction of the model. We need to adjust the model to match the orientation of the sample. Then click Translation Surface to move the position of the model. We need to place the model between the x-axis and y-axis, below the z-plane. Just like this. Then click Surface Projection to wrap the pattern onto the surface of the model. We select Wrap XY and click OK to complete the wrapping. Step 5. Align the position. Finally, Turn on the red light preview. Align the marking position. Start marking. Marking completed. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you.